This is the Maxfind FF Belt electric skateboard. It has two 1500 watt belt motors capable of speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, 35% hill climbing, fast battery swap design, and fast charging. I always wondered how this electric skateboard worked. And they come with this handy controller with an OLED display that allows you to control everything from your hand. It also shows you the speed, battery power, and it has 4 gears to choose from. Now the deck is made of durable PPS plastic and fiberglass, and it's very flexible and durable. Sometimes it looks like it's going to break, but Maxfind claims that it is capable of up to 440 pounds load capacity. That's a lot. On the surface, there's a frosting material which provides great grip, and there is a small compartment for the battery swap, which is great for extra miles. The double kingpin trucks also provide flexibility for turns, but it has a wide radius, so you're gonna have to get used to it. The 104mm wheels are made of shock-absorbing anti-slip material that work great on almost all terrain, even gravel. This allows you for some off-road riding with ease, and the ride is very comfortable. If this is your first time riding an eSkateboard, I highly recommend to start in gear 1 and just try to get used to it and gradually start using higher gears until you feel comfortable with the power and balance. It also has an electronic regenerative braking system which works really good. The board is a bit heavy. It weighs 24 pounds and is 41 inches long by 12 inches wide by 5 inches height. And it has a handle on one end, but you can't drag it along. You'll have to carry it all together if you're moving elsewhere. The charger can quickly charge the battery in 3 hours, and it provides around 25 miles of range depending on rider's weight and speed you're going. Honestly, this varies a lot. Overall, the FF Belt is a fun board to ride, easy to take anywhere, provides some off-roading capabilities, and it's easy to handle. It is priced at $900, but there's a 5% discount code in the description of the video if you like to order one and save some money. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out!